It was a fatal injury traffic accident that happened today at around 4 a.m. along the Northern Bypass near the Maple Bridge, involving two vehicles, a Suzuki wagon and a Mercedes trailer. The two vehicles were being driven from Kahawa West general direction to Maple roundabout, and on reaching at the Maple Bridge, the Suzuki vehicle rammed into the trailer, and due to the impact, all the driver and the three passengers died on the spot. We are appealing to the drivers on our roads to be very careful during this holiday season and avoid drinking and driving.